Hi friends, welcome to Nasi Talk channel. Subscribe please. Today topic Anatomy and Physiology of Mouth. Important question and answer. Question number 1. The action of lysosome in the oral cavity is to option A. Destroy the bacteria. B. Break down the food material. C. Digest the fat material. Fourth, emulsify the fat. Answer. Destroy the bacteria. Question number 2. Among the given parts of teeth, which of the following comprises the nerve and blood supply? Option A. Bulb. B. Cymundum. C. Dentin. D. Enamel. Answer. Dentin. Question number 3. The structure of uvula present and the deeper portion of the oral cavity is an extension of option A. Tonsil. B. Hard palate. C. Soft palate. D. Nasopharynx. Answer. Soft palate. Question number 4. The anterior roof of the mouth is formed by option A. Soft palate. B. Hard palate. C. Uvula. D. Tonsil. Answer. Hard palate. Question number 5. Which of the following cranial nerve supplies the taste buds in the anterior two-thirds of the tongue? Option A. Facial nerve. B. Trigeminal nerve. C. Glossopharyngeal nerve. D. Hypoglossal nerve. Answer. Facial nerve. Question number 6. Which of the following is not one of the 4 primary taste sensation? Option A. Bitter. B. Sour. C. Salty. D. Spice. Answer. Spice. Question number 7. Safety muscle of tongue is option A. Styloglossus. B. Genioglossus. C. Hyoglossus. D. Palatoglossus. Answer. Genioglossus. Question number 8. Which part of the tongue senses bitterness? Option A. Anterior one-third of tongue. B. Lateral aspect of the tongue. C. Posterior one-third of the tongue. D. All of the above. Answer. Posterior one-third of the tongue. Thank you.